Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Parrot Security OS 7.0 beta version on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Parrot Security OS official website. It is parrotsec.org and download. See here we have the Parrot OS 7.0 beta is officially out. Click on it, then scroll down. See here we have the download Parrot 7.0 beta. Click on it to download. See here we have the Parrot Home Edition and Parrot Security 7.0. In this video, I am going to download and install Parrot Security OS 7.0 beta ISO image. Click on it to download. No need to register. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is about 6.6 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here, I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine to create new virtual machine. Next, then select this installer disk image file, then click on browse, then go to the downloads directory. See here we have the Parrot Security OS 7.0 beta ISO image. Select it, click on open, click on next. Now provide the name. I am giving name as name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path where you have the enough space. Click on OK. Click on next. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See here, this is the virtual machine hardware information. If you want to customize or change any one of these options, just you need to click on customize. See here, memory is 2 gigabytes. I want to increase it 4 gigabytes. So click on customize hardware. Then use this pointer up or down, or you can provide memory here in megabytes. Then click on close. Don't select this checkbox, that is power on this virtual machine after creation, and click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, select here and click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. And if you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. Okay, so if you are okay with all the settings, I want to increase these processes to 2. Then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install, and hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control from your keyboard to release the cursor. Now see, if you want to use this for live environment, you can use and shut down. But if you want to install permanently, see here on desktop we have the install Parrot. Double click on it or select it and hit enter. See, it is loading. Select the language and click on next. Select region and zone on the globe, or you can select from this drop down. See here, okay. And if you want to change the times and localize, you can click on here. I am going with all defaults, so click on next. Keyboard model, I am going with the default, but you can select any one from this list. Click on next. See, this is a fresh installation, so partitioning, I am selecting this erase disk. Okay, click on next. It is up to you how you want. You can select and you can partition. Now we have to create our setup user. I am giving username as art. See, this is user full name, this is the username, and this is the computer name. Later also we can change it. I am giving Parrot 70 VM. Then set the password for this user. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. This is confirmation. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See here, Parrot 7.0 Echo has been installed on your computer. You may restart into your new system or continue using Parrot Security live environment. It is up to you. Okay. So if you want to restart, Keep the checkbox and click on done. Then click on done to restart. Click on username. Now provide the password that you have set for this user and hit enter. See here, before we were having install Parrot and desktop. Now it is gone. Now open terminal. Do you want to check for updates? No. Now verify the version that you have installed more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Parrot Security OS 7.0. Echo is the code name. Okay. If you want to verify IP of this machine, just give ifconfig. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay. Now the first step after connecting to Parrot Security OS 7.0 beta version is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. Okay. Now go to application menu. Go to pen testing. See, here we have different sections. In each section we have different applications. Okay. See, it is going to upgrade 26 packages and installing 56 packages, and this is the download size. Type for confirmation and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Parrot Security OS 7.0 beta version on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.